upstairs. Come up here, Amber. Jake, Gavin, Grayson, Juliana. Damn, electricity's been here. What a mess. Bedroom. With this funky situation here. They've actually got air in here. Not real sure. And then you got a little something here. I don't know. Closet. Pretty nice little closet for Gavin, maybe, or Grayson. And bathroom. I'm losing a little light here. Toilet. I bet there's water in this tub. I bet we floated it. Yep. Just see. Let's try bringing on some light. Hey, let there be light. And toilet. And shower. Testing. Test is gonna fail because they didn't tighten their freaking gauge right. They're gonna have to test it all over again. What? I got a sink here. What? Oh, that's toilet. Okay, sink. All right, come back out of here. Come back this way. We're gonna go. Oh. All right, somebody's paging me. 7 o'clock. Connie's probably asking, where the hell are you? All right, Amber, you're texting me right now. All right, Amber. What? All right, hang on. Hey, Amber. We're here at the house right now doing some videos.
Throw me the keys, please.
What, are you hot?
I want to get my drink.
Good grief, Connie. Thanks. Thanks. Hopefully I can make it out of here now.